Hello folks, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about how I weaned these 11 babies from Beverly, and within that period I have constructed these within 2 weeks. I have constructed these hutch in order to house them and figure out what I'm going to do. And yet the diva is out in the garden helping me do some construction in the garden. Don't watch it, it's just construction field at the moment, but she's out. Bev, she knows I'm calling her, but she's cheeky like that. She will not respond to my call. But yeah, so the way I did it was at 6 weeks, I separated the boys who are here. It's 5 of them. And then at 7 weeks, I separated the girls who came to the new flat. And as you can see, I've intentionally waited and not fed them anything yet, because I want you to be the first person to see how I wean them. So what's going to happen is, what has happened is, I have finally finished the bottom hatch. This hatch, the room looks so special, and it's ready for them to come in it. So what I've got is a down. So basically it's like wood shaving, but it's got straw and some wood shaving, and it's very good as insulation, and also make sure that their foot are comfortable inside it. And they've got their lavatory here. That's where they will be using as their main toilet. If you watch my other videos, I will show you how they use that. And then I've got 2 pellet bowls here. Then I have a bowl of Timothy and Meadow hay that they are going to chew on. Probably they're gonna mix it with straw, but that's all right, because I will find a way at some point to make sure that they are not messing about with it. Then I have a temporary water thing here for them. Now I have the connections to make water nipple system, but I personally do not like that. I like to know how much they are drinking, and therefore I believe in the bowl system. So I'm not sure if I will ever use those nipples, because I prefer to change their water every day or top it up. So this is probably a bit too small for them, but we're in winter, so they're not drinking a lot. But I'm going to source a bigger pot for them. This room is, let me take the measurement for you for clarity's sake. So the size is, if I can find my tape, yes I can. So it is, so from 0 to, it is 5 foot and 6.5. I'm not sure if I'm calling it properly, but it's basically 64 inches. That's how long it is, and it's one room. And then I will look at the width. Let's look at how wide it is. Sorry, I've turned this thing upside down, but is over 2 feet. It is 2 feet 2'8", which is 28 inches. So this is more than, is bigger than the recommended hatch for them. So 2 of the best females are going to be here. They're going to be kept here, and I think I'm going to keep them. But this is selective what I'm doing, so I'm picking the best ones among this lot, and they are going to be the ones I'm going to keep. They are going to be down there. The room smells so nice. And they are definitely going to enjoy it without a doubt. So I am going to make the transfer now, but I thought I will bring you in to see. Before I do that, I'm going to take some weight measurement so that I can determine which one is the biggest one. I know one of the black one and one of the white ones are the biggest among them. So let's see how that works.